So good morning, ma'am. So our lesson for today is all about the product development and management strategy. So before I start, let me read the learning outcomes. This lesson is designed to allow the learning to identify and describe the phases of the product life cycle and its general impact to business and marketing. In addition, this lesson will be utilized to explain the difference between tangible and intangible products in businesses and discuss the important aspect of products and services in business. Finally, this lesson is designed to explain the concept of product design and development process. So next is the objective. First is the explain the concept of products and services. Second, discuss the importance of the product life cycle, which or PLC, and its impact to marketing. Third, explain the concept of portfolio management. Fourth, use marketing information to inform the business about its marketing decision and strategies. And lastly, define the process for creating new products. So, the goal of the product development strategy is to serve as a roadmap for businesses as they prepare for future expansion. It includes four different businesses growth techniques that are helpful for companies looking to break into either an established or untapped market with either their current or freshly developed items. So first, as you can see, first is the market penetration, the market development, third is product development, and lastly diversification. The definitions of the market grid matrix. So the market grid matrix is used to compare the relative attractiveness of growth strategy that take advantage of both current products and market as well as those that do not, along with the level of risk involved in each. So the market grid matrix is yung mga compare mo yung mga yung mga nakaka-attract po sa mga businesses po, like ano po yung mga flow nyo pagdating po sa businesses po. So the market grid boxes each represent a distinct growth approach listed as the follows are. First is the market penetration. Market penetration is increased sales of current products into an existing market. So, increased market penetration, ito yung kung saan po sila grocery po, may ano po sila, yung ginadagdagan po nila parang sa kapital po. Tapos second is market development. Market expansion focus on introducing current items to new market. From the word expansion, like market, gina-expand po nila yung market nila para ma-introduce po yung mga current items nila from the new market po. Tapos next is product development. The goal of product development is to provide new products to an existing market. Like for product development is ito yung nag-provide po sila ng mga new product para sa existing market, like for example may bagong bag, gina-introduce po nila sa ibang tao para makilala po yung yung product nila. So diversification. The idea of entering a new market with entirely new product. So ito yung mga idea na ine-enter nila sa mga new market and sa mga bago din mga product po. So next is the product life cycle, which is the lesson 8.1. The lifespan of a product is known as its life cycle. It starts during the product development and concludes when it has been taken off the market. The product life cycle, or PLC, is the process of monitoring a product's complete life cycle from a conception to engineering, design, and manufacture, as well as service and disposal of manufactured goods. So, on the product life cycle, kung paano yung mga yung mga cycle po, yung paano po yung flow ng kung paano niyo po ma-handle yung business niyo po, like paano din po makilala ng mga tao po. Then a product has a life cycle once it enters the market that takes it from being new and helpful to eventually being decommissioned out of circulation in the market. Frequently, without the consumer's knowledge, this process is ongoing as products go through the stage of development and introduction through maturity and eventually decline. So the product then enters the growth stage. If it is a success, this is a stage of product life. So, like what I said sa aking sinabi po kanina na kung yung ano po, yung product life cycle, kung ano po yung mga flow po ng business niyo po para sumakses po kayo sa inyong business po. Like first is the introduction.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Kesha Chris Kadongog, and my report is all about product development and marketing strategies. First is growth stage. The growth stage is when more people start buying the product and company sells more of it. Kumbaga, ang growth stage is ang panahon kung kanus ang imong product is mas dako og sales tungod kay mas mabenta siya. Halimbawa is many people start buying a new phone, so the company makes and sells more phones. Number 2 is maturity stage. The maturity stage is when the product is already popular and many companies sell similar products. So ang maturity stage po is ang panahon kung kailan ang product mo ay matatag ang benta at hindi masyadong mataas po. Halimbawa is regular na toothpaste na halos tanan is nagagamit na. Next is the decline stage. The decline stage is when people start buying the product less because newer products appear. So, ang decline stage is ang panahon kung kano sa ang imong products is nagababa ang sales tungod kay mas naanay bag-o o mas naanay bagong nga patok ang gusto sa mga customers. Example is ang Android. Wala na kay nagapalit tungod kay naanay Apple nga cellphone po. Mas gusto nila Apple nga cellphone tungod kay sikat na siya and ang quality po sa camera and sa phone po. Next is ang tangible products po. Ang tangible products is ang products nga imuhang magunitan. Kumbaga example is school supplies, clothes, goods, groceries, and next is intangible products. Ang mga products nga dili mo nimo magunitan po. Example is ang tickets, ang service, and etc. And next is the difference between tangible and intangible products. Just like I said po, tangible is yung mahahawakan mo and intangible is hindi mo po mahahawakan. And the next is tangible marketing. Tangible marketing gives customers something physical they can see or touch to promote a product. Kumbaga, ang tangible marketing is ang pag-promote na mga produktong physical na magunitan nimo or makita nimo.